Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's menu is steamed peri peri momos. So firstly we'll make the momo filling. For that add 1 tablespoon of oil in a kadhai. Then add 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Saute it for a minute. Then add green chilies. I've used 1 green chili. Then add 1/4 cup of carrots and saute it for a minute. Keep the flame high. Add 1 cup of cabbage and mix it well. Add salt as per taste. Then add spring onion greens and paneer. I've used 100 grams of paneer. Black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of peri peri masala or peri peri powder, and mix everything well. So our momo stuffing is ready, and now we'll make the dough. Add 1 cup of maida. I've already sieved it. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, mix everything well and add lukewarm water gradually. The dough needs to be semi-soft, not extremely hard and not extremely soft. So add water carefully. Knead it for 7 to 10 minutes. So after kneading it for 7 to 10 minutes, it will come together. And cover the dough for 1 hour or 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, we'll start making our momos. So divide the dough into equal parts. Take one portion and apply some maida and start rolling it. And with the help of katori, make round shapes. Remove it carefully. Now fill the stuffing, and I've made quite a simple momo pleats. I've just pinched it together. Just pinch the dough together and our momo will be ready. Take some filling and just pinch the dough together. You can make your favorite momo shapes, anything as per your choice. Now we'll steam our momos. So this is my idli ka sacha, and I'll be steaming my momos in this. Water has been already boiling. Now cover the momos and let it steam for around 12 to 15 minutes. So check after 15 minutes, and yes, our momos are ready. When you'll see that they are transparent in color, that means they are ready. So our peri peri momos are ready. I've served it with some Szechuan sauce. Dive in immediately. Serve it hot. Try this recipe. You'll surely like it. Bye.